Tired of waiting on a long line to check your child into school each day? You can make the process go by faster by checking in before you arrive at school, whether your child is a car rider or a bus rider. Make it a part of your morning routine to check your child or children for symptoms, then enter that information on the health screener before 7:15 a.m. Here's how to access the screener. You can access the link to the health screener on Parent Square. Click the link and it will take you directly to the health screener. Don't have Parent Square? Until you download it, use our QR code to access the health screener. Open up your phone's camera and a notification should pop up. Tap it and it will take you straight to the health screener. If you can't access the QR code using your camera, then you will have to download a QR reader from your Google Play Store or from your App Store. Once you have the health screener open, you can change the language to answer the questions. You must log in using the student ID for each of your children. Answer the questions as honestly as possible so that your child and everyone else at school can stay safe. Please do this before 7:15 each day. If you receive a red X, keep your child at home. It is not safe for your child or anyone else in the school building if you bring your child to school sick. If you receive a green check, it is safe for your child to enter into the school building. When you enter your information before 7:15 a.m. each day, we will be able to see it on our end and not have to ask you the screener questions at car drop-off or call you to answer the questions. This will make your morning and our check-in process go smoother. Thank you for working with us to keep everyone safe. Don't forget your mask.